In the following demonstrations, we shall use a cutting guide. The purpose of the guide is to assist you to produce accurate straight cuts and beveled cuts. The most usual cutting guide is simply a length of angle iron against which the cutting tip is guided. When setting up to make a straight cut, it is important that the nozzle is kept in an upright position. Do not use the tapered section of the nozzle body to run against the guide, as this will result in an angled cut. Position the guide parallel to the cutting line in such a way that the cutting orifice is over the line. Note that when using a cutting guide, the working action is toward your body. Accurate control of the torch head along the cutting line can now be achieved. In this example, we will demonstrate the method of producing a 45-degree beveled edge on a section of 6 mm mild steel plate. The cutting line is marked off at 6 mm from the edge. The angle created between the marked off line and the lower corner of the work will be 45 degrees. Next, the cutting guide is positioned upon the workpiece and set parallel to the cutting line. Use the guide to help you maintain a 45-degree angle by keeping the parallel portion of the shank against the angle iron. Practice this action and adjust the guide, if necessary, before you light the torch. Light up when you have the feel for running the torch along the guide. Make another practice run along the cutting line, which will also serve to preheat the plate. Begin the cut, paying careful attention to the start point by ensuring that you have established the correct cutting angle. Maintain the cutting orifice position at a steady angle and move the torch at sufficient speed to create a neat bottom edge. Now we suggest that you practice using a cutting guide both in straight cutting and with bevel cutting.